Today, I'm excited to show you how Minexa.ai makes it easy to scrape multiple HR workforce listings, no matter your coding experience. I'm navigating directly to the page with the results already loaded on hays.com.au. Then, click the Minexa icon up here. One click is all it takes to start your scraping. The panel is visible. Click the violet button, and Minexa gets to work analyzing the HR workforce listings. Pagination found. Every run goes through all pages automatically to collect complete HR data. Now select List Only, or have Minexa click into each result and scrape its detail page. Go ahead with Continue Advanced if a form needs filling or a button clicking before results load. The highlighted block is where everything lives. Hit Create Scraper, and Minexa studies it once, knowing what to extract every time. All fields listed and ready. Just pick the ones you care about, like job title, location, salary, and company name. If you write code, click API Request and get Python code you can drop straight into any existing workflow. Click to confirm the configuration, and the scraper is locked in and ready for use. Pagination locked in automatically. Every run collects the full dataset without missing any pages. Almost there. Optionally schedule this job or connect Google Sheets, then click to create it. Just hit Run. That is the whole step to start scraping HR workforce listings from hays.com.au. The scraper is saved and ready to go. Run it again anytime without retraining. You'll get consistent HR data, including job titles, locations, salaries, and company names, every time. Hit Export, and the complete dataset is saved to your computer immediately in your preferred format. Getting data from any website used to be hard. Minexa makes it simple for anyone, and for developers, replaces fragile scripts and LLM processing with one reusable scraper.